No long johns. I just found out it was an accident. I was going to enjoy a nice cup of coffee. Or something. Accident. That had to be an accident. What happened there?
Huh?
What happened there? An accident?
Yeah.
Fell down?
Huh?
Fell down?
Yeah.
No. Had an accident. I remember when I was working at the shipyard, had an accident. We never had 3 police crew. Oh my God, 6. I did throw 6 police cruiser for an accident. Oh, come on. Come on, come on, this is ridiculous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. What is that? It must have been a shooting. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 7? Come on, come on, come on, this is ridiculous. What the hell? What's going on?
Just a call, Charles.
7? Yeah, I know. 7 police cruisers. Okay. Seven police cruisers. Why would there be 7 police cruisers for an accident? I think I'm gonna keep this camera on just in case. There's the barricade. Okay. This has to be serious.
happened here. You might as well keep
See
going.
nothing? No nothing?
Keep going.
Survival? 7 police cruisers. Not too many good public relations skill here with the workers. Ten to 6. 10 to 10. Shades, construction workers, maybe something, okay. Maybe somebody died there in bad mood, who knows. I'm gonna keep this camera on. That's funny. But maybe you could get another view. I'm just keeping this open so, you know, people learn how to do. If you can't go through the line, well, you gotta go somewhere else. What happened there? Nah, maybe somebody got killed. That's why the workers are upset. So can't blame them on that. Telling me to move on? Well, I don't think that was going to happen. You don't tell a Scotsman to move on. Okay, so let's see what we got here. I haven't had my coffee yet. I haven't been here in months. Okay. Something happened. And there somewhere. Take a few shots and get the hell out of here. Whoa.